A 725 kilogram automobile has a kinetic energy of 3.02 times 10 to the 5th joules as it travels along a highway. What is the car's speed? The first thing I need to do is to rearrange the original formula to solve for speed. And my original formula is kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Since I need to get the v by itself, I'm going to rearrange this formula to solve for v, and I'm going to start out by getting the 1/2 to the other side. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2/1. And that will make this cancel. And now I've got 2 times kinetic energy equals mv squared. Now I want to get the m to the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by m. V squared is equal to 2 times the kinetic energy divided by mass. Now I need to get rid of this square. To get rid of that, I need to do the opposite, which is to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of v squared is just v. V is equal to the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy divided by m. So now I'm going to take this formula and rewrite it over here. Velocity equals the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy divided by mass. And I'm going to plug in my formula. 2 times kinetic energy is 2 times 3.02 times 10 to the 5th joules divided by the mass, which is 725 kilograms. So when I plug the value for the kinetic energy and the mass into the calculator, I get 28.86 meters per second.